To transfer eSIM from old phone into your Samsung Z Fold 8, first of all on your Samsung go to the settings, open connection and move into the SIM manager. Now click to add an eSIM, wait a little bit for a loading screen, and now click to transfer SIM from Galaxy/Android phone. You will have to just tap on it, and as you can see I've got this notification that I already got the maximum number of active SIMs, which means that I have to turn off one of SIM card, the physical SIM card. And now what do you have to do? We have to check for SIMs on our other phone, so we have to make sure that our phone meets these conditions like the latest software, a screen lock, it's unlocked and nearby, and I got the nearby device scanning on. So now we can also check some other things. So as you can see, you should get this notification on your old phone. If it actually meets these conditions, you will have to click next. Now just wait simply for a loading screen, and you will have to scan the QR code on your Z Fold 8 from this old device. And as you can see right now, you have to select the SIM card that you want to transfer. But as you can see, for me, unfortunately, my eSIM doesn't actually support it. And sometimes you can find this limitation for some service providers, but also regions. So in this case, if you have the same problem, you have to actually contact the customer service. Let me know if you have some other questions. Hope you find it useful.